Hello and welcome to this gift card suite tutorial where you will learn how to connect to a payment gateway. The first step you'll do is go into the left navigation and select Online Store. Within the drop down you will see Payment Gateway. Be sure to select Payment Gateway. You will have two options between Stripe and PayPal. Connecting to a payment gateway allows you to accept payments in your gift card shop. You must connect to at least one of the payment gateways listed below before your shop becomes active. We highly recommend that you use Stripe because it is easier for customers to check out versus PayPal. It is also what we use. So in this step, all you have to do is simply choose between PayPal or Stripe. If you decide to connect with Stripe, simply click Connect with Stripe, and then you would choose how you would like to connect with Stripe. If you have a existing Stripe account, you would simply click this and fill out the quick form, and automatically you're connected, and then you can begin selling e-gift cards for your gift card shop. If you are not, simply create a new Stripe account and then revisit this page to connect. So once you do this, we can move on to the next step. Congratulations, now you have connected to a payment gateway, so now you can begin selling e-gift cards for your gift card shop. If you have any questions, you could always contact us at hello@giftcardsuite.com, and have a great day.